Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Power the Brezza and unlock your Android phone. Plug the USB cable into the car and phone. Do it now. When the head unit prompts, choose Android Auto. Grant location and phone permissions on your device. This lets Google Maps stream navigation and traffic to the car display. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation chime and see the Android Auto interface. This direct USB route is the only reliable way to mirror Google Maps on the Brezza's 2022 infotainment. Once Android Auto shows, open Google Maps on your phone or the car display. You want maps foregrounded so routes appear. Make sure you set Google Maps as the default navigation app inside Android Auto settings, then enable microphone access so voice guidance and Hey Google work through the car speakers. Also allow background location so rerouting and live traffic updates persist when the screen sleeps. These steps ensure turn-by-turn directions, lane guidance, and real-time traffic sync to the Brezza display. To finish, enter a test destination and confirm the route appears on the Brezza screen with audio cues. If Google Maps fails to load, disconnect and reconnect the cable, toggle Android Auto permissions, and restart your phone. Many problems are cable or permission related. If still broken, swap to a known good data cable and check app updates. Make sure the car's infotainment firmware is current. Once done, you'll have stable, reliable Google Maps navigation via the Brezza's Android Auto connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.